So welcome back to the sig figs and timescales course again. We're going to begin by going to my favorite mnemonic, which is thank God my karate helped dumb unkind dudes, 'cause mean men need punching. It's a weird mnemonic that my physics teacher taught me, but this is critical in remembering the units and the scientific notation for each prefix. And this one is tera, giga, mega, kilo, as you know, is 1,000, hecta, which is 10, deca. This is just your unit, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, and pico. So I know that this is a lot to remember. That's why remembering this mnemonic is the best. I'm actually going to go ahead and write down the mnemonic that I remember for these prefixes. I know that this doesn't really make sense, but it actually does help you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and list out the scientific notation for each of these prefixes. From the left, we have tera, which is times 10 to the 12th. This is 10 to the 9th, 10 to the 6th, 10 to the 3rd, 10 to the 2nd, 10 to the 1st. And this is just your normal number, 10 to the first, negative 1st, 10 to the negative 2nd, 10 to the negative 3rd, 10 to the negative 6th, 10 to the negative 9, and 10 to the negative 12. So we can remember this easily by knowing that it goes up like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, and then starting from 3, we add or subtract 3 each time. So 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the same as the left side. 1, 2, 3, add 3 to each one, 6, 9, 12. And that's how you remember the prefixes more easily. Now we're going to move on to astronomical timescales, and basically when our universe started. That was due to the Big Bang, which started about 14 billion years ago. Our universe came about. And then this would be 1.4 times 10 to the 10. For our Milky Way galaxy, which is our own galaxy currently, is about 13 billion years ago. So it's actually near the start of our universe. And for our solar system is 4.6 billion years ago. So I suggest that you might remember these numbers. These are interesting if you just tell your friend, oh wow, the universe is 14 billion years old. You know the time scales more easily. And from this, the solar system, we know that it's 4.6 billion years ago through radioactive dating of meteorites. And now we're going to go ahead and address the timescales for our planet. The first unicellular life that grew on Earth was about 3.5 billion years ago. So that's not really a critical date that you have to remember, but I'd say if you were interested in the dinosaur extinction, this is about 66 million years ago. And let's say, when did humans start to evolve or come about? Well, this was 300,000 years ago. So Homo sapiens, the species. And we observed all of these dates through fossil activity, unlike the dating of our solar system, which was by radioactive dating through meteorites. So this is quite interesting. If we scale down the age of the universe, which is 14 billion years old, to one day, which is about 86,400 seconds, we can see that humans, Homo sapiens, actually appeared only about 2 seconds ago. So only 2 seconds we existed. That just tells us how big the universe is and how old it is.